Hey, it's Z, and today is March 17th, and I am at the lake house that we were renovating. You can kind of see the lake from behind. And we have gotten it demoed and some new windows in. You can see the windows and star over there from the outside, and I'm gonna walk you in here and give you a little tour so you can kind of see the process. So we've got the floor ripped out, the carpet. We've got trim pulled off. We pulled off a lot of the sheetrock over here so we can get the new windows in. So as you can see now, we've got a big picture window right there. You can't really see from the light, but you can see, and also there's a plastic cover over it so that you can see the big window right there that's going to look out on the lake. And here, as you can see, here's the sheetrock. It's in place. They're putting mud on it in the other rooms. Here's the one other room down here, and then I'll show you the other room in here. We've got a big window there and a crank out window there. Also some great views. We got the bathroom here. A new tub put in, a new tile surround there, and pulling out the old toilet and sink. New window here, and then I'll take you upstairs. It's a bit dusty up here, so a little tough to see. Sorry about that. And got you up here. So here is where the kitchen was and will be. We've got measurements taken for the cabinets. So those are ordered and are in the process of being made right now. And this window, we ordered the wrong size window for that. So that will need to come out eventually and we'll need to replace it. But we've got new windows here, sliders going that way so that rather than having the panes going across, we've got two big windows. We got a nice big picture window there, and another big picture window there. And then we come across here, and we've got, so this window right here, we ordered the wrong size, and it was for the one over there in the kitchen. The one in the kitchen, it has to actually be higher because we're gonna have the counter going across there, so we gotta get a smaller window there. Mistake, so we'll have to wait 5 months for it to get that one in, but we can do all the rest of it in the meantime. We've got the big windows here, sliders, big windows here, sliders, and of course the picture window here as well. Now this window right here, I think the original plan was actually to have it level across the way. I actually don't mind it the way it is right now. Maybe it'd be preferred to have it level going all the way, but I'll check with everyone else and see if we need to move it or not. But that's it. And then, then we also got this bathroom upstairs here, and just did a simple subway tile surround. Before it was plastic insert. Still a tiny shower, but gives us a little bit more room than we had the surrounding and just a nicer feel. Here's where the toilet goes and where the sink will go. And that is our tour.